A step-by-step guide on how to use turmeric to control blood sugars naturally. So you're welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'm going to teach you on how to control your blood sugar naturally with turmeric. Did you know this golden spice sitting in your kitchens could help you control diabetes naturally? Yes, I'm talking about turmeric. Today, I will show you step by step how to use turmeric to lower blood sugar, improve insulin response, and protect your organs. When Mr. Bala, a 55 years old teacher, was told his blood sugar had reached 240 milligrams per deciliter, he felt defeated. He heard about turmeric from a friend but didn't know how to use it right. After learning the correct way through this my textbook, Diabetes Reset Nigeria Food Diet, everything changed in 2 weeks. His reading dropped below 140 milligrams per deciliter. So let me show you exactly how he did it. You can find it on my book, Diabetes Reset Nigerian Food Diet. To prepare turmeric for diabetes management, you need 1 teaspoon of pure turmeric powder or 1-inch piece of fresh turmeric root. 2. 1 cup of warm water or milk, plant-based milk, like almond milk or grit. 3. A pinch of black pepper. This helps your body absorb turmeric better. This one is optional. Half teaspoons of cinnamon powder for extra sugar lowering benefit. Now here is a step on how you can do it. 1. Warm the cup of water or milk. Don't boil it. 2. Add turmeric and stir well. And 3. Add a pinch of black pepper and cinnamon. 4. Stir again until smooth. Number 5. Drink while it's still warm. How to use it? You drink this once in the morning before breakfast and once at night before bedtime, okay, for better result. So if you are using fresh turmeric root, grate it and boil it for 10 minutes, then strain before drinking. Stay consistent for at least 14 days before checking your blood sugar's progress. I bet you won't regret in following this step to control your blood sugar. Turmeric contains a compound called curcumin. This is what gives it the yellow color. Curcumin helps the body use insulin more efficiently, reduce inflammations in the pancreas, and slow sugar absorption into the blood. So it also protects your kidney, eyes, and nerves, organs that are easily damaged by high blood sugar. So that's why regular use of turmeric can make your reading more stable. Here is a safety tip. Don't take more than 2 teaspoons per day. Avoid it if you are on blood thinning medication like aspirin or warfarin. It may increase bleeding risk, okay? So always use pure turmeric powder, not artificial coloring like what they sell in supermarket. If you notice stomach upset, reduce the dosage. To make it more effective, you can combine turmeric with ginger tea. This helps fat metabolism. Also, eat avocados daily. It supports heart health and blood vessel. You can also add moringa powder to the meals for complete sugar regulations. So let's recap quickly what I've said before. I said mix 1 teaspoon turmeric plus pinch black pepper plus warm milk or water. Drink morning and night. Be consistent for at least 2 weeks. Combines with healthy food for faster result. This simple golden drink can transform your blood sugar naturally. No side effect, just consistency and care. Try it for 14 days and watch your sugar drop safely. So I'm Shuaibu from Shuaibu Health Talks, helping you live free from diabetes naturally. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Someone you know may need this information today. As you can see on your screen, that is the textbook. Most of these informations are coming from the Diabetes Reset Nigerian Food Diet. It costs only 3,000 naira. You can get the book on seller.com. Check my profiles, you see the link to my seller profiles, and get the book right now. I'll see you in my next video, and bye for now.